Morning, sunshines. It is 4:30 a.m. We're walking to our Uber and we're headed to Shasta to start the weekend's adventures.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
It's very early. I think that's my Uber. Let me see. Made it to San Francisco. Jasmine missed her flight, which was with me, and she caught the next one, so I'm gonna hang out here and wait for her. Literally just grabbed my baggage and I landed like 30 minutes ago because I wanted to stop at Starbucks. And then we are headed to, we're gonna Uber to San Rafael, where we're gonna meet Nathaniel and the crew, and then we're going to ride with them to Shasta, which I think is like quite a drive, like 3 hours. So flight, Uber, drive, mountains and waterfalls, hopefully. We will see how that goes. Look who it is. Look who.
Do they know?
Yeah, they know that.
Hey guys. No, it was all an illusion. It was like an episode of Black Mirror. Nikki thought I wasn't on the plane, but I was. A virtual reality. I don't know what I'm saying.
She's deliriously tired, obviously. Also showed up wearing my sweater an hour late.
This is the only sweater I brought too, so I was like, I really hope she doesn't ask for this in Shasta. Yeah. Okay, cool. For something, I don't even feel like we're in San Francisco.
Are you from here?
Yes. Doesn't this remind you of the airport we flew into for your pop-up shop?
Newark?
Yeah. Doesn't it a little bit? I feel like I'm gonna look at assistants. I can't speak.
Go to sleep.
Good night. This is the future.
So wait, show them the outside.
Okay.
This is what we saw, right?
Yeah, right.
And then when Jasmine opened it, this is my reaction versus hers.
Anticlimactic. Panicking.
Whoa, those are huge!
They're so tiny.
I really thought it would be, because I was comparing it to like the wireless sound sports, which are like half the size.
I was comparing it to
That's fair.
they're so small.
I do like that there's no wires though. It's like the AirPods.
On your ear, though?
I guess we're gonna find out. Yeah? Just talking
Puts on
to me.
for 2 seconds. Yeah. Done really well. Oh my gosh, look how pretty it is outside. It's mountains and shit.
Yeah, wait until we're in Shasta.
The backdrop of your face and then the window is just like very nice.
Do I look like I'm in a movie?
Yeah. Jurassic Park.
I'm gonna just...
I wish we could Photoshop like a little dinosaur running beside it.
Wow! You just asked if that was Alcatraz.
It's an island in the middle of
Where's the prison?
Oh, fuck, maybe it's on the other side. I don't know. I don't remember.
I think Alcatraz is... Oh wait, no.
Outside of Whole Foods, I have a bag that could fit a small army inside of it. Because I only have this bag.
Mine's even bigger.
I need to get a smaller one.
I know how to pack.
Thank goodness you got one that fit as a carry-on though.
Yeah,
because
oh my gosh, seriously. I know, I would have been screwed.
What would you have done if you showed up with this bag?
I would have went home.
I know, that's what I thought you were gonna do, honestly.
Yeah.
I was like, don't abandon me. Look at these little Nikki's fast Christmas trees. So cute. Jasmine's gonna get one.
Right now.
Get with us.
I'm gonna run away with all of them.
Shasta.
We made it! We made it in one piece.
You almost didn't make it.
I almost didn't. I was so stressed out. I missed the flight by like 60 seconds.
I overpacked, I'm sorry.
Oh my god. Oh, do your vlog thing. Oh, hi. You want me to say what I was gonna say?
Yeah.
Kinda.
What I was gonna say is, you guys all don't really know each other all that well, but I'm really excited about this trip because all of you guys have insatiable energy. Yay! So, I mean,
It's gonna be a magical experience.
oh yes, it's definitely gonna be a lituation to say the least.
Lit. I already just spilt some of this burrito on my pants as Nathaniel was talking. My white pants are gonna be absolutely epically destroyed after this. But I got a burrito at Whole Foods, as you can tell. Sandwich. I think y'all both got the same sandwich, yeah?
Yeah, she had bacon.
Had bacon. No, she took off the bacon.
Oh, mine has bacon?
Yeah.
Shit. I'm gonna take mine off too.
Mine's vegetarian.
Did you see that? Look, hold on. I kind of have a dimple. Look, look, look. I literally think I created that.
With your mind?
With my fat on the cheeks.
I created that by gaining fat. Good, good.
A few moments later.
I missed the
Still have 3 hours.
Powered through.
There's peanut butter on my lens.
We've been in the car for 20 minutes. Nikki acts as if all right, day 17. We still have 3 days to go.
Still traveling. Can't make it much longer.
Nikki has had Reese's.
Getting more wrinkles on my face.
And the burrito.
I kept eating. I had a whole burrito and this Reese's.
There's my dimple again.
And some kiwi. I have a couple dimples after this trip. I keep eating like this. We have arrived to Airbnb.
Wait, are we getting out now?
I believe so. Oh, it is chilly.
Everybody stay fucking calm.
Stay calm. The first thing I said when I got in the car was, guys, we can't split up. We'll be murdered. And the first thing Nathaniel does is runs off into the wilderness. But it turns out he didn't die. Shout out to Kate for doing my makeup. Thank you. This is the no makeup look, she called it. I like it.
Kind of.
It's solid. I'm cold and I have to pee. Is this it? Can we walk in through there? I have to pee. Oh, this way.
Yup.
Oh, this is homey. Look at this little old fridge. We should like a 50s movie in here. Or 80s. Washroom. Bathroom. Okay, we set up at the Airbnb, changed into our outfits to take photos in, which Nathaniel picked out for us. And now we're headed off into the cold to do photos. It's gonna be great. Here we go. We're now at the hiking portion of our journey, which is less than exciting. Actually, I'm just kidding. I'm very excited. This is fun, but I'm cold. I was just telling them that we're hiking now.
Oh yeah, we're hiking. What they don't know is it's about a 7-mile hike and sunset's in 10 minutes, so it's gonna, sorry, later.
7 miles?
I'm just playing.
Little legs over here. Oh, this way. What's going on over there, guys? Do I want to meander?
Did you take a gander?
No. What? This is off-roading. No. This is... It's a waterfall! It's very cold. Okay, Nathaniel, okay. Obviously, and it's actually really hard to walk across all these rocks and stuff. So I'm gonna put the camera in my backpack so it's a little easier for me to like crawl along. My autofocus isn't working either, probably because my camera's frozen. But wish me luck getting back to the car. Us luck, because none of us are wearing appropriate shoe attire for this.